Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. Today's story is called The Friendly Neighbor. It's a simple and heartwarming story for English beginners. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and improve your English step by step. Part 1. Moving Day. It was a sunny morning. Anna carried 2 big boxes into her new apartment. She was tired. She put the boxes down and said, "Oh no, so heavy." Suddenly, someone knocked on the door. Knock, knock. Anna opened the door. A woman smiled at her. "Hi, I'm Emma. I live next door." "Oh, hello, I'm Anna," Anna said. Emma looked at the boxes. "Need help?" she asked kindly. Anna smiled. "Yes, please. Thank you." Together, they carried the boxes inside. After a few minutes, Emma said, "Welcome to the building. If you need anything, just ask." Anna felt happy. "Thank you, Emma. You are very kind." That evening, Anna wrote in her notebook, "Today, I moved in. I met Emma, my neighbor. She is friendly." Anna thought, maybe this new city will not be so lonely. Part 2. A cup of tea. The next day, Anna heard a knock on her door. Knock, knock. She opened it. Emma was there, holding 2 cups. "Emma?" "Hi, Anna. I brought some tea. Do you like tea?" Anna: "Oh yes, I love tea. Thank you." They sat together at the small kitchen table. Emma: "So, where are you from?" Anna: "I'm from Spain. I moved here for work." Emma: "That's exciting. Do you like it so far?" Anna, smiling: "It's new and a little scary, but meeting you makes it better." Emma laughed softly. Emma: "Don't worry. I'll show you around the neighborhood. There's a nice park, a bakery, and a library." Anna's eyes lit up. Anna: "Really? I love books. The library sounds perfect." They finished their tea. Before leaving, Emma said, "Tomorrow, let's go together. I'll introduce you to the librarian." Anna closed the door and whispered to herself, maybe this city will feel like home. Step by step. Part 3. The library visit. The next afternoon, Emma and Anna walked together down the street. The sun was shining, and children were playing in the park. Anna: "This neighborhood is so lively. I like it." Emma: "Yes, it's friendly. You'll see." Soon, they arrived at a small library with big windows. Inside, it smelled of books and coffee. The librarian, a kind man with glasses, smiled. Librarian: "Hello, Emma. Who is your friend?" Emma: "This is Anna. She just moved here." Anna, a little shy: "Hello, nice to meet you." Librarian: "Welcome, Anna. Do you like reading?" Anna: "Yes, very much." The librarian gave her a library card. Librarian: "Now this library is yours too." Anna held the card carefully. She felt proud. On their way home, Anna said, "Thank you, Emma. Today was special." Emma smiled. "It's just the beginning, Anna. More good days will come." Part 4. Dinner Invitation. One evening, Emma knocked on Anna's door. Anna opened it with a smile. Emma: "Hi, Anna. My family is having dinner tonight. Would you like to join us?" Anna, surprised: "Really? I would love to." That night, Anna walked into Emma's cozy home. The table was full of food: bread, soup, salad, and a big roasted chicken. Emma's mother greeted her warmly. Mother: "Welcome, Anna. Please sit and eat with us." Anna, softly, "Thank you. It looks delicious." During dinner, they talked and laughed. Emma's father asked, "Anna, do you cook?" Anna laughed. "Sometimes, but not as good as this." Everyone laughed with her. For the first time since moving, Anna felt she belonged. When dinner ended, Emma whispered, "See, you're part of the family now." Anna's eyes shined. She whispered back, "Thank you, Emma. You're a true friend." Part 5. A Little Help. A few days later, Anna came home from work very tired. Her arms were full of heavy grocery bags. She struggled to open her door. Just then, Emma ran over. "Emma, here, let me help you." She grabbed 2 of the bags and carried them inside. Anna, smiling with relief, "Thank you, Emma. You're always so helpful." Emma, "That's what neighbors are for." They put the groceries on the table. Emma noticed a photo frame on the wall. "Emma, is that your family?" Anna, "Yes, they live far away. I miss them very much." Emma touched her hand gently and said, "Well, until you see them, you have us." Anna felt her heart warm. She realized this small town was slowly becoming her home. Part 6. A Surprise Invitation. One Saturday morning, Emma knocked on Anna's door. "Emma, good morning, Anna. My mom is baking cookies today. Would you like to come and help us?" Anna hesitated. She wasn't sure if she should, but Emma's smile made it hard to say no. "Anna, okay, I'd like that." They walked together to Emma's house. The smell of chocolate filled the kitchen. Emma's mom, Mrs. Carter, greeted Anna warmly. "Mrs. Carter, welcome, Anna. Emma talks about you all the time." Anna blushed. "Thank you for inviting me." They baked cookies together, laughing when Emma accidentally spilled flour on the floor. When the cookies were ready, they all sat down with warm milk and shared stories. For the first time since moving to the town, Anna felt like part of a family. Part 7. Sharing Stories. That evening, after baking cookies, Emma asked Anna, "Emma, do you miss your old town?" Anna nodded slowly. "Yes, sometimes. I had friends there. But now, I am happy too, because I met you." Emma smiled wide. "You are my best friend here." They spent the evening drawing pictures together. Emma drew a house with 2 girls holding hands. She wrote, "Anna plus Emma equals friends forever." Anna looked at the picture and felt her heart warm. Later that night, back in her room, Anna wrote in her diary, "I thought moving here would be lonely, but now I know, sometimes a new place can bring new happiness." She closed her diary and whispered, "Thank you, Emma." Part 8. A Promise of Friendship. One sunny afternoon, Anna and Emma sat in the garden. Birds were singing, and the smell of flowers filled the air. Emma looked at Anna and said, "Do you think we will always be friends?" Anna smiled. "Yes. Even if we grow up, even if we live in different places, we will always be friends." Emma held out her pinky finger. "Promise?" Anna linked her pinky with Emma's. "Promise." They laughed, and in that simple moment, both girls knew. A new town, a new home, and a new friendship could make life bright again. Thank you for watching Learn English Zone. Did you enjoy the friendly neighbor? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories. And remember, every story is a chance to learn.